Let's try this again. Well, the election is over now. Tell me, friend, did you win? Did you get your red wave crashing down? Or did the blue ride again? Votes are all counted. Are you happy today? You gloating online? Are you doing your time till the next time around? Well, if you're buying into all those lies that they sold you, well then I'll just go, 'cause what you don't know is they're laughing at you. Will your taxes come down and your fuel get cheap? Well, I'm guessing it won't. It will probably go up from those fools you voted in. Well, if you're buying into all those lies that they sold you, well then I'll just go, 'cause what you don't know is they're laughing at you. Guess the corruption's soon gone, and your cops serve and protect, just as long as you stay a productive good slave. They won't step on your neck.